Hello everyone, welcome to elliotwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, June the 8th, and the time is 2 a.m. GMT, and we are looking at the chart of gold. We can see right here, we are now doing a wave 5 to the downside, and this wave 5 here is going to be ending C of 2. So that means even though this is a 5 waves, it is part of a corrective structure. As you can see right here, it is part of wave C, which is corrective, and that C is going to be ending wave 2, which means once this is over, we are actually going to rally in a wave 3 on the upside. So technically, even though we are calling or looking for more downside, but this is not necessarily bearish when you see and understand what we are going to be ending here and what the subsequent move will be. Okay, so for now we are still calling for a bit more downside to finish this with 5 here, okay, while it stays below 1983. Now let me zoom out and give you some guidelines in terms of knowing when when things are changing, for example. So if I zoom out a little bit and look at the 4-hour, so I have placed the same wave 3 and the 4 here, right here. So I draw a parallel channel here to give you some ideas where we are. So this is your 1 and 2 right here. So we're talking about a move down that comes from this peak here in May 4, and that move is in the diagonal structure, right? And we're looking for the last 5 down here, as you can see in the 1 hour, right? So let's see, let's say we finish this 5 here, right? Let's say we finish here, and that will also end C, right? And also ending 2, just like what the 1 hour chart shows. Now based on this, you can kind of trying to figure out what exactly gold is doing. Now you can see right here, the rally here looks impulsive. So this is a C, but it is a 5 waves, right? So that means we're actually doing some sort of a expanded flat here, and this will be a 1 here, right? So we're looking for expanded flat to complete and then starting a new bullish move to the upside. Now if for some reasons gold doesn't go down and it starts to rally again, and maybe it breaks above this parallel channel here, then that could signal that perhaps this correction is complete, and then you can maybe start to move around the count, right? You can start moving here, for example, right? Or moving here, however you want to adjust. You can call it completed like this, and it starts the new bullish leg already. So again, for now, still there is not enough separation from the low to be able to say it is finished. So for now, we're still calling for more downside, but this parallel channel here is going to be your guide. Now in case it, for whatever reason, it rallies again and breaks, then potentially it could be finished already and starting the next leg up. So 1 hour, not necessarily bearish, even if we are calling for the downside. Overall, we are looking for gold to start to turn higher soon. If not already, then a little bit more downside before starting to turn higher. Okay, so if you want to have a regular updates on gold or any other metals, commodities, forex, indices, stocks, and so on, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.